Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you're looking for a fun and beginner-friendly drone that offers exciting aerial stunts without breaking the bank, then today's product is definitely worth checking out. Meet the GS01 2.4G RC racing football drone, designed for both kids and adults who want an enjoyable flying experience. Right now, it's available for just $60.16, down from $120.32, giving you a fantastic 50% discount. One of the first things you'll notice is its full protective frame, which helps shield the propellers during bumps and crashes. That's great for beginners who are still learning how to fly. The drone offers full direction flight controls, allowing you to move up, down, forward, backward, left, and right with ease. It also has a stable control range of approximately 80 to 100 meters, giving you plenty of room to explore. If you're new to drones, you'll appreciate the headless mode, which makes flying much easier by removing orientation confusion. It also includes one-key return, helping bring the drone back toward the pilot with a simple button press. For even more fun, the GS01 can perform 360-degree flips at the press of a button, adding exciting aerial tricks to every flight. The built-in RGB lighting system features 3 adjustable lighting modes, making the drone look great whether you're flying during the day or at night. Inside the box, you'll get the drone, a remote controller, a USB charging cable, spare propellers, and a user manual, so you'll have everything you need to get started. Overall, if you're looking for an affordable RC drone that's easy to fly, packed with fun features, and suitable for beginners as well as casual hobbyists, the GS01 racing football drone is definitely worth considering. If you're interested, click the link in the description below to buy and check the latest price. If you enjoyed this review, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more tech reviews, cool gadgets, RC products, and smart devices. Before you fly, always remember to use your drone responsibly, follow your local drone regulations, and choose a safe open area away from people and power lines.